So look at that. Every week I get a payment from this company. I got my first payment on the 27th of June, then on the 10th of July, the 17th of July, the 25th of July, and then I've got one today, which is the 1st of August. I can open up each one of these. As you can see, the first payment I got was $695. Go to the next one. Second payment I got was $1,539. Every week without fail, I get these payments coming directly into my bank account. The third week, $693. The fourth week, $805. And I got another one here, $492. There's actually a payment missed off of there because I actually deleted one of the emails. And I'll show you that in a moment. So here's all my payments. Look, 23rd of June, the 30th of June, the 7th of July, the 14th of July, the 21st of July, the 28th of July. And then I've got another payment there that's going to come out to me in August as well. As you can see there, I've got $478.16 that's come into my account. And if I look down here, you'll see it's right there. So it's $492 that came in. It's obviously a payment gone out this morning. And I bought a domain name actually as well for €13. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this dollars into pounds so I can spend it on my cards. The money I earn from this business is for my day-to-day living, you know, for shopping and restaurants and that type of stuff. So let me convert this over to pounds because I'm here in the UK. So click on the dollars and then just click on convert, do my balance. Not bad for a passive income. This is a brilliant income. I love it. This is a week's income from just one of my passive incomes. But all I do is click on convert, click convert again, and that's it. That's all done. So if I go back over to the home page here, back to the dashboard, I've got no dollars left and now I've got £374 to spend this week on entertainment. Now, if you're interested to earn the types of incomes you see on the screen, then below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to this page. Pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you all the details of how to get set up and how to get started. Now, you can get started for free. You can get started completely free. You don't need to register your credit card or anything, and I can guarantee you, you will start earning in the first day of using this business. It's a brilliant business. I'm earning roughly between $100 to $200 a day. Absolutely fantastic business. I love it. So if you're interested in this income, click the link below, pop your name and your email address in this boxes here that you see on the screen, and I'll send you the first video and show you how to get set up for free, and you'll start earning without spending a single penny. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.